Hi everyone, in this video I want to highlight some points that will greatly assist you in finding your first job. Therefore, I recommend that you stay with me until the end of this video. The first job is memorable and significant for everyone, but finding it's not a simple task. Additionally, the first job serves as a good practice ground for learning soft skills such as effective and helpful communication with colleagues, crisis management, working under pressure, and more. The job you choose initially also builds a network for you, which you can use to advance to higher stages and earn higher salaries. You will have more opportunities, meet more influential individuals, and of course, gain a better understanding of your own situation and interests. If you also want to become familiar with the top 30 jobs based on the average annual salary, you can refer to the video whose link I provide for you. Number 1. Your first job may not have a high income. Before submitting a job application, especially if it's your first job, take a look at your current connections. Interest friends and family members who may recommend you to your desired organization. Many individuals seeking their first job choose internships and unpaid positions, which if aligned with their interests can significantly contribute to their growth. For example, if you aspire to enter the film industry, starting as a director's assistant is a good path. If you want to pursue a career in culinary arts, consider working in a small local restaurant. Number 2. Building a resume is important. Resume writing is the best way to convince employers to bring you into their business. You may not have much professional experience or an extensive work history, resulting in an empty resume page. But you undoubtedly possess skills that, even to a certain extent, may make you suitable for the job. For instance, if you have taken public speaking course, you likely have a good speaking abilities. Number 3. Start searching. To find a job, you first need to search well. Networking can help you a lot. There are tools, websites, and even applications that, after creating a resume and entering your skills, display job opportunities and even connect you with the relevant employers. Make use of them. Number 4. Prepare for the interview. When you've chosen a job and the interview session is scheduled, it's time to get ready. Read the job advertisement carefully and highlight the essential parts required by the employer. Make sure to research the target organization, its history, goals, and culture. Find the interview style, choose appropriate attire and equipment. You can even take a look at the interviewer's LinkedIn or Instagram profile and personally connect with them. Of course, exercise caution in the reaching out. These actions reduce your anxiety. Remember that interviews appreciate individuals who have taken the time to understand the organization and its goals. Number 5. Don't forget to follow up after the interview. After creating a resume and participating in an interview session, write a polite and sincere email. Thank the organization for the opportunity to find a job and inquire about the outcome of the interview. Even if you receive a rejection, it's good to respond to the message and express your wishes for finding the right person for that particular position. This shows that the company and the job opportunity really matter to you. In this video, I have tried to highlight points that will help you in finding your first job. I hope that by following these tips and being patient, you will land your desired job. The Best Topic Show channel wishes you success and happiness.
In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.